green banana smoothie, bell pepper egg, chicken skewers, and steak Greek yogurt are all great meals for weight loss and to feel full. And oh yeah, they're 300 calories each. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day and staying safe. Finally, another meal idea video. It's been a minute, but it was due for one, and so here we are. I know how you guys love these killer meal idea videos, so here's another one. And these meals, man, they're absolutely delicious, fulfilling, and all of them I tried, and honestly, they're all my favorite. The taste is on point, you do feel full for a very long time, and yes, you do lose weight. These 4 300 calorie meal ideas work perfectly in a 1200 calorie meal plan. So if 1200 calories is what you need and you guys are looking to spice up your meal plan, well, these 4 meals will do just that. By the way, guys, if you want a custom calorie meal plan for your needs, whether you're trying to gain weight, lose weight, build muscle, lose fat, whatever it may be, well, you're in luck because now I do provide that service. DM me on my Fiverr page by clicking in the card above here or the link in the description. Don't be shy, I don't bite, I just provide results. Without further ado, let's get into the video. All you ask in return is a like and a subscribe if you haven't already. Let's go. So the first meal here is going to be a green banana smoothie, and man, when I tried this, this is my first time trying it too. It was absolutely delicious. Absolutely hooked. It's absolutely delicious, fulfilling, and man, your intestines, your stomach gets very happy off this. Check it out. This is how you make it. Get a blender and we're gonna put 250 milliliters of skim milk in there, and this has 88 calories, 9 grams of protein, and 13 grams of carbs. Put half a banana in there, and this has 52 calories, 13 grams of carbs, and 2 grams of fiber. After that, we're gonna put 110 grams of non-fat Greek yogurt. I know you guys see the Greek yogurt is a big like pink or purple. That's because it's strawberry flavored. That's all I had, but for you guys, use the non-fat Greek yogurt. It does have more protein in it, less sugar, and less calories overall. The total calories of this 110 grams of non-fat Greek yogurt is 60 calories, 11 grams of protein, and 4 grams of carbs. Now, we're gonna be adding 30 grams of baby spinach in here. Personally, for me, this was my first time ever having a shake with spinach in it. I was always skeptical that putting spinach in a smoothie will make it taste disgusting. Boy, was I wrong. So we're gonna put 30 grams of baby spinach in there, and this has 8 calories, 1 gram of protein, 1 gram of carb, and 1 gram of fiber. And a total of 8 calories. Just look at the blender. Like half of that is literally just spinach. And the last thing we're gonna put in there is 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, 100 calories, 4 grams of protein, 3 grams of carbs, 8 grams of healthy fats. Peanut butter, they give healthy fats, and 1 gram of fiber. Finished, go ahead and blend it up. Let the whole thing turn green, and then once it's finished, pour it out, and it should look something like this. The total calories of this is 308, and the total macros you're getting here is 25 grams of protein, 34 grams of carbs, 8 grams of fats, healthy fats, and 4 grams of fiber, and you're full for a solid 2 hours. It's pretty darn filling, and it's really delicious, man. I'm telling you, after you eat this, man, after when you guys drink this, your intestine, your stomach gets really happy and you feel full of energy. It's 100% the spinach. Now moving on to the second meal, and it's gonna be one of my favorites because it's delicious, fulfilling, and it keeps you full for a very long time, and it does help with fat loss, and this is a bell pepper egg. So what you guys want to do is get 1 whole bell pepper or 160 grams of bell pepper, and this has 48 calories, 2 grams of protein, 10 grams of carbs, and 4 grams of fiber. You guys want to go ahead and cut the top of it so it looks something like this, and put 2 whole eggs in there. And the 2 whole eggs is about 146 calories, 12 grams of protein, 2 grams of carbs, and 10 grams of healthy fats. You guys want to go ahead, season it with your salt and pepper, make sure that's very important, but also adding 35 grams of mozzarella cheese on top of that, which has 104 calories, 8 grams of protein, and 8 grams of fats. Now what you guys want to do here is, obviously when you guys are making these bell peppers, in the meantime, preheat your oven to 400 Fahrenheit or 200 Celsius, because we are gonna put this into the oven. Now this should be in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. I would first recommend to do 20 minutes. After 20 minutes is up, open the oven, stick a knife into the bell pepper to see if there's any yolk coming out of it. If there's any yolk coming out of it, or if the knife is clear, that means it's cooked. If it's not, leave it for another 5 minutes. But once it's finished, man, this is how it looks like. Just look how good that looks like, man. It's so delicious, it's so appetizing, and it's so fulfilling. What's interesting about this is that when you guys cut it in half, you expect it to be yellow yolky-ish or milky yellow because of the yolk, but it's not. It's actually white, and that's because of the mozzarella. The taste, man, the taste is just so good. I mean, it may look plain, but it's actually really tasty. Now the total calories you get here is 298, while the total macros here is 22 grams of protein, which is sheesh. That's good stuff. 12 grams of carbs, 18 grams of fats, and 4 grams of fiber. Man, you should be full for at least 3 hours. I have a fast metabolism, and when I ate this, I was full for a solid 2 hours. And I have a fast metabolism. So if you guys don't have a fast metabolism, 3 hours is the bare minimum you should be full. This is so fulfilling. Third meal is one of my favorites. I do have it every now and then because it's a little hard to make or a little bit time consuming, to be honest with you, but it's delicious when it comes out. And that's chicken skewers or chicken kebab, you could call that as well. So first we're going to be getting 100 grams of chicken breast, obviously marinated, whatever you guys want to do. And this is about 160 calories, 31 grams of protein, and 4 grams of fats. We're also going to be getting a whole bell pepper or 160 grams of bell pepper again, and this has 48 calories, 2 grams of protein, 10 grams of carbs, and 4 grams of fiber. Now what you guys want to do here is get a chicken skewer. We'll get more than one just to be safe, and start kebabbing them with bell pepper and chicken breast, bell pepper and chicken breast, kind of like what you guys see here in the video. After it's nice and done, it looks something like this. I mean, it already looks appetizing when it's raw. Obviously, we can't eat it when it's raw. We're gonna cook it, but it looks really appetizing. Smash the like button if you agree. But now we're gonna get a pan and put 1 tablespoon of olive oil in there, and we're just gonna put the shish kebab in there, or the chicken skewer in there. Put it in there, put the lid on, and every about like 2 or 3 minutes, rotate it. After about 10 to 15 minutes, it should look something like this, and man, the smell you get from this, I mean, it just looks blessed. Like, man, it's making me hungry just by looking at it. Just even talking about it makes me just want to go and make it and devour it. Oh my God. You get the point. It's absolutely delicious. It's appetizing. It's only 329.5 calories. That's it. And the total macros you get here is 32 grams of protein, 10 grams of carbs, 17.5 grams of fats, mainly healthy fats because of the olive oil, and 4 grams of fiber, and you should be full for about 2 to 3 hours. This thing is a filler, it's delicious, and it's healthy, and it keeps you full for about 2 to 3 hours. Great for weight loss. Moving on to the last meal, if you guys are a frequent watcher of this channel, you guys would know that I've made a shrimp yogurt, or shrimp Greek yogurt, chicken Greek yogurt, but now we're going to be making a steak Greek yogurt. And you already know these meals are like the king of fillers. They keep you full for a very long time, and they're packed with protein. They're great for muscle building and fat shredding. So nonetheless, this is how you make the one steak version. So get 50 grams of lean steak, and this has 87 calories, 15 grams of protein, and 3 grams of fat. We're gonna cook it in a pan with 2 teaspoons of olive oil, and this has 81 calories and 9 grams of fats, healthy fats. Can't stress that enough. While the steak is being cooked, we're gonna get 120 grams of full fat Greek yogurt, and this has 118 calories, 11 grams of protein, 5 grams of carbs, and 6 grams of fat. Although you could use Greek yogurt, but in this one, we just use a full fat Greek yogurt. After that, the steak should be nice and cooked. Chop it up and put it into the Greek yogurt. We're not done just yet because we need more flavor here, and the best thing to use here is 40 grams of onions. Now, you guys can use garlic here instead of onions. Using garlic here will be absolutely blessed, but using onions here, I don't know, I prefer this with onions. And 40 grams of onions, that's about 16 calories, 4 grams of carbs, and 1 gram of fiber. Mix it up, make sure all the flavors gets nice and mixed, and at the end it should look something like this. Absolutely delicious, fulfilling, and just tasty. The total calories here is 302. The total macros you get here is 26 grams of protein, 9 grams of carbs, 18 grams of fats, and 1 gram of fiber, and you're full for a solid 2 to 3 hours. It's absolutely filling. Although this meal may have 1 gram of fiber, you're also having steak, which is a tough meat and it takes a long time to digest in the body, as well as the yogurt. The yogurt protein is casein, which takes a long time to break down the body as well. So your body is going to be busy. And voila, there you guys have it. 4 meals that are 300 calories each, that are great for weight loss and keeps you full for a long time. And hey, they're high on protein, so they're also great for muscle building. And honestly, man, these guys don't take that long. Maximum they take 10 minutes to make. maybe even less, and you're full for 2 to 4 hours. I mean, that's a good deal if you ask me. But anyways, guys, try out these meals, come back to this video and comment down below and let me know how it went, because I'm very curious to know what you guys think, and I'm pretty confident it's gonna be good stuff. And again, guys, you guys can use these 4 meals in a 1200 calorie meal plan for weight loss, to feel full, and for muscle building as well. And if you're interested in a custom calorie meal plan, click on this card here or the link in the description, DM me and we can get something started. Don't be shy. I don't bite. I just provide results. But if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button. But if you guys really enjoyed this video, you guys will also enjoy this video, another 300 calorie meal idea video. These meals are pretty darn filling and delicious. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and I shall see you guys in the next video. Peace.